Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Perfect Dose Podcast. The Perfect Dose Podcast is all about helping you navigate all things aesthetics, from skincare, wellness tips to different injectable treatments. My goal is to help you make sense of what treatments are right for you so I can be alongside you with your aesthetic journey. On today's episode, we are going to talk about red light therapy. Red light therapy is going to be so in 2025, and I am so excited that it is ramping up this year. You may have seen me on Instagram walking around with my Omnilux red light mask. It is my favorite mask, you guys. It is amazing. It looks like really funny on Instagram, but it's great because you can use this red light at home and it allows you to multitask. And I don't know about you, but if you are busy like me, I am a working mom. I am either busy working or I'm busy with my baby. I need something that I can do on the go. So this mask is next level. I am going to give you guys a discount code at the end of today's episode. So make sure you listen up, tune into the full episode, and at the end, I will leave a discount code so that you can purchase one of these at home. On today's episode, we are going to break down all things red light. We are going to talk about benefits. We are going to talk about the skin concerns that it can help with. We are going to talk about how often you should be doing red light therapy, how long you should be doing red light therapy, and who should not be doing red light therapy. So let's get into it. First off, what is red light therapy? Red light therapy is low-level red light, and what it does, it is going to penetrate into your dermis, and your dermis is the second layer of your skin. So you have your epidermis, which is like the outer layer that everybody sees. The dermis is underneath that, so it's about 1 to 2 millimeters depth. After 1 to 2 millimeters depth, you will get into different skin layers like your subcutaneous layer, which is like a superficial fat layer. You will then get into the muscle, and then you'll get into deep fat, and then bone. So those are the layers. So the dermis is where our collagen is. The dermis is where we often are doing treatments to stimulate collagen. So red light is going to penetrate that 1 to 2 millimeters thickness. So it's going to be working into that dermis. And so what it does is it actually boosts your cell's mitochondria. And your mitochondria are the powerhouse of your cells. And mitochondria, think of them as like the battery for all things. So when you have mitochondria in your body that are working efficiently and working effectively, you will see amazing benefits like NAD, for example. NAD helps improve your cell's mitochondria, so you will get anti-aging benefits from it. It will improve your cellular metabolism. I mean, the list goes on and on. I have a whole episode dedicated to NAD that I will link so you guys can click and listen to it. So red light is going to help your mitochondria work better. So it is going to help regenerate your skin cells. It is going to help repair your skin cells. And the amazing benefits that it has, you guys, is collagen stimulation, anti-inflammatory benefits. So when you think collagen stimulation, you have to think, okay, what does collagen do? So collagen makes our skin firm, bouncy, and tight. It also helps with fine lines and wrinkles and our skin looking youthful. So red light therapy is going to help with all of those things. Red light therapy can even help grow your hair, and hair loss is something that is happening. I am all about biohacking hair loss, you guys. I love using exosomes for hair growth, and now I am actually combining red light therapy to help stimulate the follicles on my scalp. Red light has so many benefits, you guys. It's insane. Plus the anti-inflammatory benefits. So let's talk about that. If red light can reduce inflammation in your skin, think about the skin concerns that are inflammatory. If you have rosacea, if you have post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, like pigmentation after acne, if you have active acne, if you are somebody that has redness, uneven skin tones, red light therapy can help with all of those things. So how often should you be doing red light therapy? Now, the best thing to do is to combine your red light therapy. I want to talk about that a little bit before we talk about how long you should be doing it, because it's important to understand that red light therapy is not the next Botox, Sculptra, and filler, okay? It is amazing, but it is an adjunct therapy. So think of red light therapy as the ultimate sidekick. If you use red light alone, you will see some incredible benefits. You will see a reduction in some fine lines, wrinkles. It will help with acne. You will see decreased inflammation, but it is not the one-stop shop. We often forget that we have to do things in combination, and red light is that ultimate sidekick. It's that supercharger. So you're going to be wanting to do other treatments alongside red light therapy in order to get the most benefits. So what treatments work best with red light therapy? I love to do red light therapy after any laser treatment because it is going to help you heal faster and reduce that inflammation and stimulate collagen. So it's supercharging your treatments. So I will often recommend to my patients, okay, when you're doing any sort of lasers in the office, like Morpheus, when you're doing a cool peel, Vivace, when you are doing any sort of laser treatment, you will want to get a red light therapy mask to go home with, because as you heal, you can be wearing your red light mask at night to help improve your rate of healing and help you get better results. The other thing I like to combine my red light therapy with is actually chemical peels. And I love chemical peels. I don't love downtime peels. So let me be clear. There are chemical peels that are going to have a lot of downtime, and there are chemical peels that don't have a lot of downtime. I'm going to tell you guys my favorite chemical peel. It's the Bio Repeal. And I love the Bio Repeal because it's a no downtime peel. So it is going to help with pores, acne, making your skin texture better, improving dullness, all without the downtime. It's next level. And if you pair this Bio Repeal with red light therapy, your skin will be literally glowing, you guys. I'm not kidding. It is amazing. I also love red light therapy after facials, because if you are laying down on your treatment bed and you are doing a 1 hour facial treatment like a Diamond Glow or a HydraFacial, and you are just living your best life, relaxing, getting all that dirt out from under your skin and getting infused with all of these good serums, why not lay under red light for about 10 minutes afterwards just to get the most out of your treatment? So red light is the ultimate sidekick. If you have acne, you should combine your red light mask with tretinoin. You should also combine your red light mask with chemical peels, because that will be next level for helping kill bacteria, for helping declog those pores, reducing inflammation, and stimulating collagen at home. So that's like the ultimate trio if you have acne. If you have fine lines and wrinkles, I recommend combining your red light mask with Botox, with laser treatments like Cool Peel. That way you get the most out of your in-office treatment. So Botox, for example, is going to relax that muscle, reduce the appearance of fine lines. And if you wear your red light mask at home, you will notice that your lines are less and that your Botox works even better. And that's because you're supercharging it with red light. If you have inflammation, so if you have any sort of redness in your skin, some sort of inflammatory condition, I love to pair red light with Plated. Plated is one of my favorite treatments at home. I am obsessed, you guys. It is a topical exosome that makes your skin regenerate. So new healthy baby skin, exactly what your red light is doing, but on a different level. So I love to combine the two at home to get the most out of your results. So red light therapy has amazing benefits. It helps with fine lines, wrinkles. It penetrates into that dermal layer, so 1 to 2 millimeters beneath your skin. It is not the one-stop shop. I like to think of it as the super sidekick, because you're going to get the most benefits when you're doing red light therapy in combinations with other treatments. So we talked about if you have acne, what to combine with red light. If you have fine lines or any inflammatory skin condition, what to combine with red light to get the most out of it. But if you just do red light at home, you are still going to be obsessed. So if you're listening right now and you're like, well, I don't do any of those things, is it worth it to invest in red light? And the answer is yes. You will still get great results. You're just not going to get the best results unless you are combining it with other treatments. So what red light mask do I recommend? If you are in office, I love to just bathe in red light, because we will have one of these big domes of red light that you can just lay underneath. Those are going to be amazing. You can put them over your face. You can put it over your body. I don't necessarily recommend getting one of those at home. Obviously, if you have an unlimited budget and you can afford like a red light bed, amazing, go for it. But most people don't. They are very expensive. So the one red light at home that I recommend is the Omnilux. I love Omnilux because of its variations and because of its ability to be a multitasker. So Omnilux is a portable red light mask, and it has options for acne, and it has options for fine lines, wrinkles, and anti-aging. So if you have acne, you may want to get the red light mask that also has LED light to kill acne causing bacteria on the skin. So this is absolutely amazing. It is the Omnilux Clear. If you are just wanting to biohack for anti-aging, get the Omnilux Contour. That is the best one for anti-aging. That is red light alone. The Omnilux Clear is blue and red light, and blue light is going to kill that acne causing bacteria, while red light is going to help reduce the inflammation and stimulate collagen. So I really love this mask for anybody that has acne concerns. They even have a mask specifically fitted for men, and it's going to be the same one as the women mask. However, as women, we have smaller faces, different frames. So there is one specifically for a male face that I absolutely love. And the number one reason that I love Omnilux is that you can wear it and walk around. They have these other LED masks, you guys, and I used to have one. You used to have to like literally hold it for 10 minutes on each area of concern. So I would do it while I was watching a TV show, but it was taking forever. Like it took literally 30 minutes to do my whole face. I couldn't leave and walk around while I was doing it because it had to be plugged in. So the Omnilux mask is chargeable. You literally wear it on your face, you click a button, and the timer is going to shut off after 10 minutes. So that leads me into how long you should be doing red light therapy. You could do red light therapy every single day, but the most impact that you're going to see is when you're doing it 3 to 5 times per week in 10-minute sessions. That is what all the data shows. So Omnilux is great because it has a timer. It will literally start and finish after 10 minutes, so you don't even have to think about it. I put my Omnilux mask on when I am cleaning my room, when I am doing some house chores, washing the dishes, when I'm getting ready to watch a Netflix episode. I will throw it on. The timer starts, finishes. It's freaking amazing. I don't even have to think about it. And the next thing that I love about this particular mask is that it has a specific attachment, you guys, that you can get for your neck and your chest. And we are often neglecting our neck and our chest. I see so many patients in office all of the time. They come in, their face is like so tight and perfect, and you can tell their age because of their hands, their neck, and their chest. So do not skip these areas. If you are getting red light therapy mask for your face, get one for your neck and chest. The Omnilux one is freaking amazing because you can literally sit it over your neck, over your chest. It fits like a glove. And hot tip, you can put it over your hands. So next level for biohacking. This is why I love this mask. I do it 3 to 5 times per week. Sometimes I do it more, to be totally honest, just kind of depends because it's so convenient. And you guys, I want to take a minute to mention the neck and the chest. I just talked about why I love Omnilux and how it has these neck and chest attachments, but it is so important. The skin on our neck and chest is so delicate. It is more prone to aging than skin in our face. And if we are not taking the time to do preventative treatments for our neck and chest, it will be too late. Before ending today's episode, I do want to talk about who cannot use red light therapy. Red light therapy is safe for all skin types. It is something that most people can use. However, contraindications to red light therapy are pregnancy because there is just no official data. Nothing is declared safe aesthetically when pregnant because good luck getting a group of pregnant women to sign up for a clinical trial so we can determine, yes, this is the safest treatment for you. Another contraindication to red light therapy is going to be active cancer and cancer treatments. This is because red light can cause photosensitivity, so it's best to avoid red light if you have active cancer or getting cancer treatments. And another relative contraindication is if you have melasma. Now, this is very relative because some data will show that it is safe for melasma since it helps with hyperpigmentation, while others show that it can worsen melasma. So if I were you, I would stay clear of LED if you have melasma. Thank you for tuning in to this week's episode. I will see you guys next week. If you are listening right now and you are a medical provider and you want to learn more about tips for running your practice, injection techniques, product choices, all of the things, make sure you follow me on Patreon at The Perfect Dose. If you want to see more before and afters in education, follow me on Instagram and TikTok at The Perfect Dose.